Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Montego United returned to the top of the Jamaica Premier League standings after clipping Arnett Gardens 1-0 in the late game of a doubleheader at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex on Monday night. Okimo Jones scored for Mobe United in the 81st minute as they moved to 26 points and back atop the point standings. Arnett are 8th on 12 points. Meanwhile, Spanish Town Police got their first win of the season after surprising Waterhouse 2-1 in the opening match of the doubleheader at the venue. Diamond Clark put Spanish Town Police in front in the 73rd minute before Colorado Murray equalized for the Jewsland-based team in minute 84. But Jordan Ellison would find the winner dramatically in the 90th minute for Spanish Town Police. With the win, Spanish Town Police moved to 5 points but remained at the foot of the 14-team table, while Waterhouse are 9th on 12 points. Veteran track and field coach David Riley has been appointed to the World Athletics Coaches Commission. The Coaches Commission will ensure coaches' voices shape world athletics decisions, provide a forum to advance elite coaching initiatives through policies and projects advised to the World Athletics Council. Speaking with the TVJ Sports, Riley noted that given Jamaica's athletic prowess, having a voice at the global level is a significant step.
Well, this is indeed significant. This is an attempt by World Athletics to get more coaches involved in the decision making and the advisory. And so it's new. It's the first time they're setting up a commission like this. And for us to have a representative in the discussions and helping to shape and influence the direction of the sport, this is good. Jamaica is a very strong player in the sport. And rightfully, we should have people in the discussion, in the conversation, helping to shape and influence the direction of the sport.
The Commission will also focus on elite-level coaching and related high-performance strategies and international competition environments. According to Riley, who is also president of the Jamaica Track and Field Coaches Association, the reintroduction of the Coaches Commission is an opportunity for young coaches to also develop administrative skills. The finalists in this season's Issa Manning Cup will be decided on Tuesday afternoon with the playing of the semi-final matches in a doubleheader at the National Stadium. Eltham High and Excelsior High will contest the curtain raiser starting at 2 p.m. before many-time champions Jamaica College battle Stats in the second semi-final starting at 4 p.m. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.